Making chocolate chip cookies is a delicious and relatively straightforward process. Here's a basic recipe for you to try. 1 cup, 2 sticks, unsalted butter, melted and cooled slightly. 1 cup packed brown sugar. ½ cup granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour. ½ teaspoon baking soda. ½ teaspoon salt. 2 cups chocolate chips, semi-sweet or milk chocolate. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Melt and cool butter. Melt the butter and allow it to cool slightly. You want it to be melted but not hot when you add it to the sugar. Mix sugars and butter. In a large mixing bowl, combine the melted butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar. Mix until well combined. Add eggs and vanilla. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Combine dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing just until combined. Again, avoid overmixing. Fold in chocolate chips. Gently fold in the chocolate chips until evenly distributed throughout the cookie dough. For even chewier cookies, you can chill the dough in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the fats to solidify, resulting in a chewier texture. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, spacing them about 2 inches apart. Bake in the preheated oven for 9 to 11 minutes or until the edges are set but the centers are still soft. Remember that baking times may vary. Cool on baking sheets. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheets for a few minutes before transferring them to wire racks to cool completely. Once cooled, enjoy your chewy chocolate chip cookies. These adjustments, like using melted butter and slightly more brown sugar, contribute to a chewier texture. Feel free to experiment with the recipe to find the perfect balance for your taste preferences. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.